Hello, this is a generic lecture for all of the classes that I'm transitioning from on-campus to online. So if the information on the screens don't show you your class name and number, please don't be concerned. It should work just fine. What we're doing is here, I'm going to show you how to upload your assignments to your OneDrive and be able to then give me access to the link that you're going to upload and copy and paste to an assignment. To begin with, you need to have Office 365 loaded onto your computer. IT department's website, which is oit.northernvermont.edu, does provide you with a software link. So as you can see on the screen, if you go to software and you click it, you can download Office 365. So just follow the prompts. There are Mac and Windows versions for this. You need to have one of the apps open in your browser. I'm using my Outlook app. If you look at the upper left-hand side, you will see that you have an app launcher. If you click that, you have all the apps that are available. I'm going to right-click OneDrive and open it in a new tab. And this is my OneDrive. So what I would suggest you do is create a folder for each one of your classes. So for my classes, it's either Art 2301 for Linden and Johnson for Photo 1, Advanced Digital Photography for Linden, and ARH 2070 History of Photography also for Linden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on my Art 2301 to open that. And what I'll do is I'm going to go to New. I'm going to make a folder. I'm going to call it Test Assignment, and I'm going to create it. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to go to a folder that I have with some photographs. I'm going to try to find some JPEGs for you. Here we go. We got a couple of JPEGs right here. Let's do these PNGs. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to do these three images. I'm going to drag them and put them in this folder. Okay, they're uploaded. So that's awesome. So we're going to go back to the main folder. What I'm going to do now is, as you roll over these, click the little circular icon, click this triple dot, hit Manage Access, and what you want to do is you want to click on Share, and you want to put my email address in there, which is pjp10060@nvu.vsc.edu. Okay, do that. And then you're going to copy the link. So there's the link. So I'm going to copy the link, and it's to me. So I mean, I'm in my own share drive. So I'm going to go to Canvas, and I'm going to just go to my Photo 1 class because I happen to I'm using an old assignment because I haven't finished working on the current week and transition. So I'm in student view now. So I'm going to click this. Okay, I reopened this assignment. So as an example, and I'm just going to close it again. Okay, I'm going to submit the assignment, and it allows me to paste in that link that I took off of my OneDrive. And so when I go to grade the assignment, it will allow me immediately to upload that. So then you just hit Submit Assignment, and you'll be all done. So that's the simple and easy way to do this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them for you.